Here you go. Yeah, you're cleaning my nails, huh? Come on. You're still cleaning. Good. Is it yummy? What is in there? What is in there, little girl? Oh no. Here. Good girl. Did you get anything from there? Okay. Here you go. You tired? Yeah. Oh, ow, it's hurting. What are you doing? That's hurt. You're fighting with my nails. Oh no, that's not good. That's not good, little girl. Hmm? Just be nice, okay? Just be really nice. Yeah. Did you get anything? What is so special on my fingers? What's so special in it there? Oh, those are very yummy. Yeah? Those are yummy, huh? Oh no. You don't like to be open my hands? Just like that. Uh-oh. Yeah? Oh, cool. Now you're gonna fight with my nails. Ow! That's not good. Be nice on my finger, please. Okay, how about this one? Where did you get it from there? It was yummy? Hmm? Yeah, there is yummy, huh? Oh, there's another one. How about this side? Good. How about this side? Can you do that? Can you do it? Oh, no nails? Uh-oh. Yeah, what are you getting it from there? It's a dry skin. You silly bird. You are silly bird, huh? Is it yummy? Okay, how about this side? Oh, you like that one? Alright. Okay. Oh, so some more? When are you going to stop doing that? Huh? Are you done? Are you done? You're done? Okay, I get some more. Hello. Hi, little girl. This is my favorite. My favorite. I should put something on there so that you can have it. But they're so empty. You just like to play on my nails, silly. Yeah. Done? Are you done? Still want it. Okay. Okay. Did you sharpen my pink or you sharpen my nails? Yeah, you were sharpening my nails here? You think my nails sharp? You wanna sharpen my fingers? Sharpen my nails. Are you done? Okay, let's go. Come in here. Come on. Come up on my hands. Come on. Come, little girl. You, my little girl. Oh, don't like it?